This is the 1970 Chevy Chevelle SS 454 LS6, one of the most powerful and aggressive muscle cars to ever hit American streets. With brutal performance, bold styling, and an engine that made history, the LS6 Chevelle was the pinnacle of the muscle car era. Welcome to Auto Analyst, where we deliver expert reviews and deep dives into the cars that define generations. Today, we're shifting gears into one of Chevrolet's most feared street machines, the Chevelle SS LS6. By 1970, the muscle car war was at full throttle. Every major automaker was chasing bigger engines and faster quarter-mile times. Chevrolet responded with the Chevelle Super Sport, and, tucked beneath its hood, was the LS6, a 454 cubic inch V8 that changed the game. Rated at a jaw-dropping 450 horsepower and 500 lb-ft of torque, the LS6 was the most powerful engine Chevy had ever offered in a production car, and many believe those numbers were underrated. With a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, forged internals, and a high-lift camshaft, the LS6 didn't just sound mean, it was backed by a heavy-duty Muncie 4-speed manual or a TH400 automatic transmission. The Chevelle SS 454 could go from 0 to 60 in just over 5 seconds, blistering for its time. The quarter mile came up in the low 13-second range, often faster depending on tires and tuning. But it wasn't just about straight-liner speed. The 1970 Chevelle SS had presence. With its dual racing stripes, cowl induction hood, wide stance, and optional SS badging, it looked as aggressive as it felt. Chrome bumpers, sport mirrors, and rally wheels completed the muscle-bound package. Inside, the Chevelle SS was functional but stylish. Bucket seats, a horseshoe shifter, sport gauges, and SS emblems gave the cabin a performance feel without going overboard. It was the perfect blend of muscle and muscle-era luxury. The LS6 Chevelle wasn't just a fast car, it was a statement. It came during the final moments of the true muscle car era, just before insurance rates and emissions laws began to strangle performance in the mid-1000s, 970s. That's why today, original LS6 Chevelles are among the most prized American classics on the collector market. The 1970 Chevelle SS 454 LS6 wasn't built to be practical, it was built to be the baddest car on the street. And over 50 years later, it still holds that reputation. Stay locked into Auto Analyst for more iconic reviews, muscle car spotlights, and the machines that never stop roaring.